Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is sales forecasting tutorial series using machine learning. So, just to remind you of what we covered in our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to fit the model by using linear regression and to check the performance of linear regression. In this video, we are going to dump a model into our disk, load it and make a prediction. I will dump the model into our disk by using pickle. So here let me put comment and write saving a model, right? So here I needed to import pickle. As I've said, pickle is for loading, for dumping and loading a model in and from a disk. So let me write here model ops pickle dot dump bracket slf, which is linear regression classification, open, then name of the model model.pkl, then comma wb. The meaning of wb means right binary. So after this line, I will have dumped a model in disk. So let me run this cell and you will probably see. Let me run this. Now if we open in our project folder, we will see something named as model.pkl. So this is our model. So far we have done a first part of our tutorial, which is just saving the model into disk. So the last part of this 7, I hope this is 80 tutorial video in this series. We are going to load a model from disk and making prediction. So here let me write, let's make something short. Let me copy this line, copy, then I paste it here. Then instead of dump, I load the model from disk. Yes, something like this. Then I store it into variable named model. Yes. Here I change from write binary to read binary. Yes. Then after, I want to make a prediction. Model dot predict something like this, bracket. Yes, let's add more bracket. Let's say rate of 5. Sales in the first month is 300 and the sales in third month is 500. So let me run this cell and let's see if we can make a prediction. Load it, take at least 2. Okay, load. Okay, when loading a model from disk, no need to light open. So sales in our third month is 143.30. So this is just an end of our our 8th tutorial in sales forecasting tutorial series using machine learning. Just to put a simple or short summary of what we have covered, we have learned how to dump a model into disk by using pickle. We have learned how to load. This is how to dump a model into a disk, and this is how to load model from disk, and here is how to make a prediction by using a model. So we have covered about 3 things: loading a model, dumping a model, loading a model, and making prediction. So this is end of our tutorial. In our next tutorial, we'll learn or we'll start model deployment. So we have remained with about 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 videos. So in our next video, we'll go direct and start dealing with Flask, which is a Python mini web framework, where we'll deploy our model using Flask. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, and subscribe for next video update. See you.